CHI was founded in 1971 by a group of volunteers who were concerned about the non-availability of health services for the indigent population residing in this area. At that time, they could not get service at the local hospitals. Community Health Center is a healthcare organization that is governed by a community board consisting of the majority of consumers who provide the services and identify the needs for this community and assure that those services are available for the community.
We have grown since 1971 to this today, 40 years later, to over 7 centers, and we're in 27 school base.
6 years ago, we didn't have insurance. I got very ill. My husband brought me in here. In that respect, I must say that CHI saved my life.
We continue to strive to provide the most affordable health care for patients in this community, whether they're insured or uninsured.